Litecoin is projected to increase 3.3% by April 22, Coin Dataflow notes. First, let's get a sense of how things are moving today. Litecoin is showing a 0.7% increase since yesterday and now trades close to $55.31. Here's today's set of expert forecasts. Coin Dataflow gives a forecast of $57.12 by tomorrow, which would be 3.3% above today. Litecoin is likely to head toward $56.03 per 30 rates, with an expected increase of 1.3%. According to digital coin price, it could strengthen toward $55.59, an upward move of 0.5%. Another prediction from Trader Sunyan notes Litecoin may fall toward $55, an estimated move lower of 0.6%. And to end, Gulf Capital Collector projects $52.42 by tomorrow, a projected drop of 5.2%. This is the most profitable forecast in the entire lineup. That's your lineup of forecasts. Let's keep going. Let's sum up what all 5 analysts expect based on their forecasts. According to the full set of predictions provided, the expected movement is somewhere between a decline of 5.2% and a rise of 3.3%, depending on the analyst. After comparing all 5, Gulf Capital Collector leads with 5.2% upward change in value by tomorrow. As the data shows, you could collect between $5 and $52 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility taken into account, digital coin prices forecast indicates the most likely movement, with a 77.2% chance of success. Using the full set of forecasts, I've worked out one unified consensus picture. The consolidated forecast suggests Litecoin is near $55.23. Let's break it down step by step. The consensus figure shows the price moving down 0.1% by tomorrow. And by that same proportion, your capital would also reflect an increase. For a 1,000 example, the projection could indicate $1 in gain. The consensus forecast carries a probability of roughly 80.5% of playing out. At this stage, let's see what analysts are forecasting over the 3-day horizon. Coin Dataflow anticipates calm trading, with Litecoin unlikely to break out of its present range. 30 rates expects a bearish continuation. Digital coin price expects Litecoin to move higher over the coming days. The near-term direction, additionally noted by Trader Sunyan, is up. Gulf Capital Collector expects Litecoin to decline steadily. Consensus projections show Litecoin leaning toward lower levels in the near term. According to the combined views, 60% of analysts anticipate strength in Litecoin. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Now it's time for some fact-checking. Ultimately, the day's result came to $55.03. Yesterday showed that none of the 5 forecasts matched the trend. The prediction with the highest precision was made by CoinCodex. Now let's open up the details. Just one analyst outlook fit within yesterday's span. For ROI, CoinCodex stood out as the single analyst with a positive result of 0.4%. This is the complete summary. All forecasts verified and compared. Meanwhile, coin price forecast had a probability score of 72% and 65 cents in accuracy, and an ROI reaching -0.1%. See if you can spot who came closest this time. Let's see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow compare among Litecoin and a few other cryptocurrencies. Litecoin isn't leading this time as the top spot goes to near with a forecasted return of 0.6%. At this point, Litecoin is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The complete comparison and long-term analyst performance statistics will be available soon on my website and Telegram. Follow along, subscribe to see how each forecast performs over time. See you next time.